Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome to my review of the TrueFree O2 wireless open earbuds. In today's video, I'll be taking a closer look at these budget-friendly open earbuds and sharing my thoughts on the design, performance, and overall value. So let's get started. Let's start with the design of the TrueFree O2 wireless open earbud. The first thing I noticed is the mix of the orange and gray color, which definitely sticks out. The case is not the most attractive nor the most compact, but I have no issue carrying these around in my pocket and it gets the job done. It does, however, feel quite cheap, but the trade-off is this scratch resistance design. As you can see on the case, there is a granite kind of pattern to it, so this granite pattern does a really good job of hiding scratches. You have to really search for the scratches to really notice it. The lid is held shut by a magnet and it snaps shut securely, but I did find it difficult to lift up the lid because this tab here sits almost flush with the case and it's too shallow for my finger to really dig in to lift up the tab. The earbuds are lightweight and made out of silicone, which feels soft. The design of these drivers are curved inwards, so there's a bump that matches the contour of the ear. So this design choice allows it to sit naturally on the outside of my ear canal, which keeps it secure during exercising and minimizes the gap between the driver and the ear canal. But it does create this gap between my ear and the earbuds, so wearing these earbuds will never feel tight, and it's just something that requires some time to adjust to. These open earbuds are IPX5 rated, so you can go snorkeling and scuba diving. I'm just kidding. Please don't do that. IPX5 just means that it's water resistant, so you can sweat or wear them out in the rain without worrying about it getting damaged. I was quite surprised by how fast these can charge at around 1 hour and 20 minutes. It is a bit more than the advertised 1 hour and 15 minutes, but it's still pretty close. Each earbud lasted around 6 hours, and with the case I got a total of 22 hours. The large orange area is the touchpad for using the touch tap. It works a lot better than I expected. There is little to no latency for a tap to register, and it does an excellent job of detecting when you are adjusting the earbud versus actually tapping the touchpad to perform an action. So let's talk about the audio quality for these 15mm dynamic driver. I was pleasantly surprised by how good the sound quality was for a budget-friendly device. The sound quality was clear and well balanced, with good bass and treble. I tested these earbuds with a variety of music genres and found they performed well across the board. These earbuds have built-in dual microphone and support for environmental noise cancellation. It is supposed to lead to better phone calls, but I found the mic struggled to pick up my voice clearly and accurately. The most common feedback I received was my voice sounded like a robot or it sounded distant. When there was wind noises, it was noticeable, but the caller could still hear most of what I was saying without too much issue. What do you think of the mic? Let me know in the comment section. In addition to the earbuds themselves, TrueFree also has an app that you can download on your smartphone. This app allows you to customize the touch controller or disable it, customize the EQ or use the preset, enable the game mode, and update the firmware. There's also an interesting feature that allows you to test your own hearing, but I cannot tell you if it made any difference. I found this app to be simple and easy to navigate. The ability to customize the touch controller was a particularly nice feature as it allows me to set up the open earbuds to my own liking. The TrueFree O2 wireless open earbud is a great budget-friendly option for those who are seeking comfortable and reliable pair of open earbuds. It offers good sound quality, a companion app, and fast charging. While there's some minor drawbacks such as a loose fit and difficult to open lid, these are not a major issue. Overall, I would recommend the TrueFree O2 wireless open earbuds to anyone who's in the market for an affordable pair of open earbuds. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.